Alright guys, today we have my package from Infinite Auto Works. As you see, been waiting on this. Got a carbon front lip. It's a 3-piece carbon lip, full length carbon side skirts, got a rear diffuser with a carbon insert, some carbon rear sides like spat splitters, and then a, let's see, like a carbon like rear air vent piece. We'll see what that looks like once we get this opened up. But excited to see this. Okay, all right, that's what I'm talking about. Some good packaging here. Oh yeah. Now that is what we want to see, baby. Oh yeah. All right, well, I guess let's just dive right in. Try not to yank it up too much. Of course, I don't want to scratch anything. So this looks like one of those rear splitters. Oh, yes, sir. I thought that was a nick for a second. That's what I'm talking about. Complete carbon. No ABS plastic. With an overlay, baby. That is sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Oh, yeah. I think that's for the rear. That may be part of the front lip. Actually, I think that's the extension for the front lip. Tell you what we're going to do. Let's just set this down here. Get all of this out the box and lay it on the table. That way, jeez Louise. Forgot I ordered this much. And got another box back behind us. That's going to be the full-length side skirts for sure. Alright. Yeah. That's the diffuser for the rear. Alright, we'll make this. That guy in the trash box. There we go. Now we can lay this out a little bit. Alright. Start with what's next. More carbon fiber. That's kind of the name on this one. Great packaging though, man. I love to see that. Oh yeah, so that is the rear carbon insert for the rear diffuser. Golly, man, that is just gorgeous. 100% again. That's what we want, what we pay for. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. Like Christmas, man. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Got this thing taped up so good. So good. So the carbon lip, like I said, is a 3-piece front lip. Main reason for that is I'm sure it may make it easier to install, but shipping cost, I'm sure that helps a ton. Oh yeah, this, okay, so those are definitely the rear splitter pieces for the rear bumper, because this is for the front lip, because it goes up with a wing on the fender. That is sick. So that will be our driver. Beautiful. Hardware pre-installed, ready to go. This one lines up with all the OEM holes, so I don't have to drill anything into the bumper, which is awesome. Love it, man. Gosh, carbon is beautiful. Beautiful and light. So I will be taking this, the front lip, I want to get PPF'd, just for rock chips. So that's another reason I want to go ahead and get this unboxing part done, so I can get this done, so I can get it on the car. So, and I'm out of room. Good problem to have. I don't even know what half of this is, man. I almost forgot some of the stuff I ordered. Okay, so that's going to be the centerpiece. So that'll line up. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. This is going to be so sick. Man, I keep getting like little dust on here and keep thinking it's scuffed. Beautiful, beautiful carbon. Beautiful. Alright, I know I'm making a mess. Alright, so we got some hardware on this one with some red tape. I love that. Do not want to lose the hardware. Come on. Actually, I was trying to save it just like that. That way, hopefully I don't lose it. Love the way they got this wrapped up. And speaking of losing the hardware, I just knocked it right off the table. Alright. I'm actually getting confused on what I have. Maybe this is at the rear bumper. Oh, sweet. Look at that little logo. Genuine. Infinite Auto Works genuine product. I don't even know what it is, but it's carbon and I'm happy. So this is going to be the second part. So front lip, rear diffuser. I had side spats. That's the part of the front lip. So this will be the passenger side of the front lip. Yes, so yeah, passenger, again, hardware already in there. Machined. I got like, yeah, sweet. It's got nut inserts. Machine hardware with some nut inserts. Beautiful. I love that, dude. Make sure this thing ain't gonna rip off the car. That's awesome. That is awesome. Alright. Man, I am still kind of have to piece all this together, aren't we? Need to just get some of this shit off the table so we can see exactly what we have laid out. How about that? There we go. Just trying to keep from scratching anything, but I think we'll be okay. There we go. Okay, so it's definitely the rear diffuser. So we're gonna have. Sorry, I can't not do this. So I don't think I'm gonna have the link. to do it anyways. Maybe, no. Anyways, we get the gist. Definitely don't want to knock any of this off the table. But that is going to be so sick. So definitely, so front lip, definitely going to get that PPF'd for sure. Alright, rear diffuser piece. Actual. And cue my dog's barking, I'm sure. There we go, rear diffuser. So this is the M Performance rear diffuser. And then I got this optional upgrade. So we'll take him out and upgrade him with some carbon. So let's try to swap here. Stay boy. His center piece. And then this is going to be the side skirts. Full length that do not affect the entry lamp slash puddle lamps. More hardware. Hardware included, I like it. Last thing we want to do is scratch any of this up opening it, since carbon is not cheap, as we all know. Oh, come on. And keep these wrapped up. Oh man, beautiful. So here's the cutouts I was talking about, because under the car on the side skirt, that's where your little entry lamp is, or your, I think they call it like the BMW wings, M wings or something. Sticker. Beautiful. Paper. Absolutely paper light. God man, it's gonna look gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. God, I can't wait. I have to ceramic coat all of these, man, before I put them on the car for sure. Just gonna. That way I don't ding those up. So that's it, man. That is some carbon. Some beautiful carbon. Can't wait for it. Alright, so got everything laid out. In the midst of trying to clear the table and throw out the trash, I forgot a piece. So let's continue. So, probably never guess what's inside this. Definitely not more carbon. No, that's that would just be silly. Alright, again with the packaging. I love it. There we go. There we go. Look, see how good that packaging is? Look, again. Keep thinking it's scuffed. Beautiful. So, these are just the rear bumper vent surrounds, I guess you would say. Yeah, I'm just going to give it some flair. So that would be the driver, and then our passenger. So, very sick. Alright guys, so that's going to be it. Rear diffuser, gloss black with the carbon center option. That way it'll bring a little bit of bling to the back. These are the rear bumper side splitters. That's going to really bring it in with the full-length side skirts, which are not on the table due to being full-length side skirts. Not enough room. Just went over the vents. This is the technical three-piece carbon front lip, so middle piece and your passenger and driver. And these you can do with or without, so obviously you can rock it like this, super sick, or you can line up these buttholes. I think he lines up, yeah, like that, and you can add that on there as a little extension. So that is not an upgrade or upcharge, this is just how this lip comes. So you can see 3 of those machined bolts line right up. You don't have to drill more if you don't want to, but there is already indentions for it and cutouts on this. So just some self-tappers, man, will just really tighten that right up. So yeah, that looks killer. Dude, it's gonna look so sick. So yeah, if you got issues with ground clearance, or you know you're going on a trip or somewhere that's got a terrible entrance or exit, whatever, take them off, save them, protect them, and rock without them. But that also means, I believe, you can get this separate in case you do hit something, rip it off, crack it, whatever. So that's awesome. So this front lip, all going to get PPF, everything's going to get ceramic coated. I just definitely don't want any rock chips in that. Pay the money, protect it, and hope you don't hit anything. But this is it, guys. These are the parts.